Yeah, but there's lovely carbonate curtains all the way along. You see it? You see them? So it's worth investigating again. Cave with the carbonate curtains at November Delta 1411 259. And done. See that orange layer? See the orange layer in the cliff?
Oh, yeah.
About 2/3 the way up.
Yeah.
So you can see that from November Delta 1421 to... Yep. So it's definitely distinct orange layer. Two actually layers maybe, but one bright orange. The gallery at November Delta 1502268. Right. Yeah. See how it sparkles with the drops of water in it? Look, there's a nice bit up there. It's limestone. It's redeposited. Right, I'm just turning here. Yeah. Right, forward, go forward, and you've got plenty of room then in your stern. That's fine. Right, so if you look up to the left now, just reverse paddle a little. Yeah, if you just reverse paddle a bit, and see where my torch is shining. Okay. So just go to my right. Yeah, right, so have a look now. Have a look up? Yeah, where my torch is. Stalactites, those ones that are coming down. So the colonies, when they cover the walls, the limestone, they call it limestone draperies or curtains. Very good. So that tavern was at November Delta 15011 2688. So we can see that thick smooth layer there, and we've got a mixed map in the sedimentary layers. So but if you look further right, you can see that layer is displaced. It's been about 60 feet or something like that, downward. And there's no sign of it in the cliff on the left. But what probably happened is this bit here has been eroded away, so that's behind. And if you look to the left of that smooth layer, look, see how the rock turned, so you got a fault just to the left of that smooth layer, and there's no other layer that matches it. So that left hand side is moved quite a distance. So we've got a little arch in November Delta 154274. early, 2 o'clock, and it's got a nice calm sea, a nice blue colour, and this is 40 hours just south of Dunbeath.